Hello, good morning everyone. Mega love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today we're going to study about adding and subtracting rational expressions. And this is your teacher, Marife Adonis. Okay, how do we add and subtract rational expressions? First, add rational expressions having the same denominator. Next, add rational expressions having different denominators and subtract rational expressions. But for this video, we're going to add rational expressions having the same and different denominators. So later on, we will do the subtraction. Okay, so first here, our objective is to add rational expressions having the same denominator. And of course, as the addition, we will also discuss expressions with different denominators. So rational expressions having the same denominator, we find the sum of two rational expressions with the same procedure that we use in adding two fractions having the same denominator. If and q is not equal to 0 are rational expressions, then p over q plus r over q is equals to p plus r over q. That is, to add rational expressions with the same denominator, add the numerators and keep the same denominator. Add rational expressions having the same denominator. For example, we have to add each other. For example, we have here 7/15 or 7 over 15 plus 3 over 15. We add no the same denominator. 3 plus or 7 is equals to 10, and we copy the same denominator. And of course, we simplify. So the factors of 10 are 2 times 5, and the factors of 15 is 3 and 5. So we cancel out 5. The remaining is 2 over 3. The next, we have 2x over x plus y plus 2y over x plus y. So we do have the same denominator here. So we have x plus y divided by x plus y. That's 1 times 2x. Okay, so we got 2x plus 2y, or simply we factor, no? So the 2x plus 2y, the common factor is 2. So we divide 2x divided by 2 is x, 2y divided by 2 is y. So we got, then we cancel the same, no? So x plus 2 are the same, so we cancel this out. The final answer is 2x. Okay, so how do we add rational expressions having different denominators? Okay, here, step number 1, find the least common denominator, or the LCD. Step 2, rewrite its rational expression as an equivalent rational expression with the LCD as denominator. 3, add the numerators to get the numerator of the sum, and the LCD is a different denominator of the sum. Write in lowest terms using fundamental property. Okay, let's have an example. We have 110 plus 115. So in here, the LCD, it depends on the factors. So we have, for 10, we have 2 times 5, and for 15, we have 3 times 5. The common is 5, so that's the LCD. So the LCD should be 2 times 3 times 5, that's 30. Okay, so 30 divided by 10 is 3, no? So 3, we have 3 here. 30 divided by 15 is 2 times 1, that's 15. 3 plus 2 is 5, so the final answer is 1/6. Okay, and then for m over 3n plus 2 over 7n, the LCD here is 3 times 7 times n, that's 21. Okay, so we both divided, no? We have 21, no, divided by 3n, that's 7m, or 7m. Then 21n is equals to 21 divided by 3, 7n, that's 3 times 2, 6. So that's why we have 7m plus 6 over 21 over n. Okay, next. So let's have another example. Write the answer in a lowest term. We have negative 2 over p plus 1 and 4 plus 4p over p squared minus 1. So for our solution here, we have negative 2p over p. So let's factor this out here. So that's why we have p minus 1 and p plus 1. Okay, so the common is p plus 1. So we have here cancelled out. So we have negative 2p plus 2 times or plus 4p. So we have, let's cancel this as 4p minus 2p, that's 2p plus 2. So since we have common here, no, our final answer is 2 over p minus 1. Okay, next. Okay, so we have another example here. So 2k over k squared minus 5k plus 4 plus k over k squared minus 1. So all we need here is to factor out all the given. So we have here k minus 4 and k plus 1 for the factors of k squared minus 5k, no? Plus 4. And then for k squared minus 1, we have k minus 1 plus k plus 1. Okay. Then we have here cancel. So the common is k plus 1. No? So we have here, no, we have 2k. Then we have k minus k. Right. So we have three common factors. We have k minus 4, k minus 1, and k plus 1. So this would be our common denominator. So we have now the same denominator, so we just copy that out. And then we add all this, 2k times k plus 1. That's 2k squared plus 2k plus 3k. So 2 times 1 is 2. And then we have 3k. Okay, so we just no we just combine it all, no? Okay, so since this we have no 2k and then we have 3k minus 12. Okay, that's why we got here, no? So 2k square plus 5k minus 12. So we have here, and then that's it. So since 2k plus 5k minus 12 need to factor it out, so you do have to do it. So kung hindi pa siya prime number, you need to uh, factor it out. Okay. Adding rational expressions again with the different denominators. We have another example here. We have m over 2m minus 3n and plus n over 3n minus 2m. So pansin nyo, magkaiba yung arrangement, no? So the arrangement of denominator is different. So that's why we need to multiply it by negative 1. Okay, so by multiplying it by negative 1, this will be like this. M over 2m minus 3n plus negative n. Okay, so we have negative, this really negative 3n plus 2m. Okay, so after derivation or combination, we can now have the same denominator. We have such as 2m. So ito, binaliktad lang natin yan. That would become 2m minus 3n. So, babaliktarin mo lang siya yan. Okay. So, combine m minus n and 2m minus 3. So, this is the final answer. Okay, so we can do this. For number 1, what we have, the common is 4b. So, we have 2a plus 3. This will be your final answer. Here the common is 9. Okay, 9 is the common factor. Okay, so we have 4d plus 8d, or 8d plus 4b, that's 12d. 12 minus 3, that is 9. Okay, 12d minus 9. 12d minus 9, so, or plus 9 pala. 12d plus 9. Got it? 12d plus 9. Okay, so we can divide both sides by 3, no? To make it simplify. Okay, to simplify, so we got 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4. That's 4d. Then plus 9 divided by 3 is 3 over 3. Okay, so that it can be your final answer. And then you may continue all the other examples, no, as we go on. Okay, so our time is running out, so please just listen to our discussion on our face-to-face class, no, for this, for more examples, or you can try it out using our samples and back to the sample. Okay, love you all. Bye bye.